Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Giant Loop versus Mosko Moto. We're diving deep into two of the most respected names in adventure motorcycle luggage. We'll explore their unique philosophies, from minimalist rackless systems to robust modular setups. Our goal is to help you understand which brand best suits your riding style and adventure needs, ensuring your gear is secure and accessible on every journey. When it comes to design, Giant Loop often champions a rackless, horseshoe style, hugging your bike tightly for a low center of gravity. Think simplicity and direct attachment. Mosko Moto, on the other hand, excels with modularity, using robust rack-mounted systems that allow you to customize your setup with various bags and pouches. Both prioritize durable, weather-resistant materials, ensuring your gear stays dry and secure. Durability is paramount for adventure riding, and both brands deliver. Giant Loop's designs are incredibly tough, built to endure countless miles of abuse, often with a focus on simplicity to minimize failure points. Mosko Moto emphasizes heavy-duty construction and often includes replaceable parts, extending the life of your investment. Both offer superb weather resistance, employing waterproof materials and secure closures to protect your essentials from the elements, ensuring peace of mind on any trail. When considering price and value, Mosko Moto often comes with a higher initial cost, reflecting its advanced modularity and extensive features. Giant Loop typically offers a more accessible entry point, providing exceptional durability in a simpler package. Ultimately, the better value depends on your specific needs. If you prefer a minimalist, rackless setup, Giant Loop might be your choice. For maximum organization and modularity, Mosko Moto could be the perfect fit for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.